ball.
Watch your head.
Ball. And like that. Oh, I got stuck behind another corner. So sad. Kick. Stuck behind another corner. Oh. You guys. Kick. He's doing all types of fancy moves. You don't do it, worry. Cause I'm slow motion. That's the best motion. Oh! It just went close to the ball. It went into the penalty. Switch sides! That means this one we gotta kick, and that one I gotta get it in. Kick! That's gonna be easy for you. No, keep these. Keep these. Kick! Score! No, it was my score. You mean my score. No, I said keep those.
What dog keeps the best time?
Oh, hot dog? Neo stick? I have no idea.
Come here. What does it say? A. Read it.
I'm not going to play
Sound it out,
if we
Jimmy.
get instructions.
Woof.
It is